Today we are making this savory snack that I enjoy growing up, and you literally just need three ingredients. You need flour, you need water, basically four: butter and some salt. And you're going to make yourself this savory snack that you can enjoy with your whole family. So let's get started. In a bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use any flour that you want. I'm going to use a pinch of salt. If you want it a little bit salty, just add more salt. Give it a stir. And then into this, I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. You can also use melted butter. And then you just mix everything around. You are looking to have that grainy texture. So you're going to continue to mix it till you're satisfied with the texture, and you're going to set 1 cup of water aside, but you'll be adding it gradually into it because we want to form a dough. We do not want it to be too hard or too soft. So I'm just going to measure my water and then add it little by little to it till a dough is formed. When you see it come together like this, it's time for you to knead. You can knead it in the bowl or you can break it on a flat surface to knead. You just knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes and until it forms perfectly into a dough. Then you're gonna leave it to rest for about 15 minutes. This will allow your dough to be stretchy so that when you're frying it, you can get that crunchy texture and taste. So my dough has rested for 15 minutes. I'm just gonna flour my working area, put my dough on it and divide it into 4 equal parts. I'm just gonna roll it light and thin and then cut it into perfect, well, not actually perfect, just cut it into squares because that's the shape that we are going for. It's time to deep fry our snack. So please make sure that you are keeping an eye on it because it fries quickly, so you do not want to burn it. So after frying, if you want it a little salty, you can just sprinkle a little bit of salt on it and your snack is ready to be enjoyed. Please, please, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I know that by now all of you that watch my videos are subscribed, but if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, like this video because it helps my videos to reach other people. YouTube will literally share my content with other people depending on the number of likes and the number of subscribers I have. So please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and don't forget to share this video if it really helped you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.